Fatima binte Abi Hubaysh came to the Prophet ﷺ and said, O Allah's Messenger, I get persistent bleeding and do not become clean. Shall I give up my salat? That is prayers. The Messenger of Allah ﷺ replied, No, because it is from a blood vessel and not the menses. So when your real menses begin, give up your salat, and when it has finished, wash up the blood and offer your salat. Hisham also said the Prophet ﷺ told her, perform ablution for every salat till the time of the next period comes. Al-Hadith, Bukhari Sharif, book number 1, Hadith number 228.